Thousands around the world are dreaming of Portuguese citizenship, a gateway to the European Union, a peaceful lifestyle, and a lower cost of living. But behind the dream lies a difficult reality. Today, we bring you real stories, real struggles, of people who dared to pursue the Portuguese passport and what they discovered along the way. Why are so many applying now? Freedom of movement across Europe, a better quality of life, a warm climate and safe environment. Yet most people begin with misconceptions. It's just a few forms and a 5-year wait. In reality, it's far more complex. Our first story, Maria, who moved to Porto full of hope. She started strong, but soon learned how much evidence she needed to prove her ties to Portugal. Then comes the paperwork storm, apostilles, certified translations, long waiting times. Legal changes appear without warning. Some applicants wait years for updates. Our second story, João, whose application was rejected twice because a translation wasn't properly certified. He had to start over from scratch, testing his patience and finances. Few expect the hidden costs, legal fees, translations, travel to consulates, and even language tests. The emotional burden builds, stress, anxiety, endless waiting. Our third story, Anna nearly gave up after 3 years. I was spending more than I earned, she said. Every email felt like another delay. Lost paperwork, silent agencies, new rules. The obstacles seem endless. But sometimes, one good decision changes everything. Our fourth story, Rafael found help through a legal consultant specializing in citizenship. With the right guidance, his stalled process finally moved forward. Proof that persistence and professional help can make all the difference. At last, the Portuguese passport. Relief, pride, celebration. But what's life really like after citizenship? New opportunities, travel, education, and stability. Yet also new challenges, integrating fully, navigating taxes, maintaining a sense of belonging. For some, it's freedom. For others, it's still a search for home. These were real stories and real struggles. Portuguese citizenship can open doors, but it demands preparation, resilience, and patience. If you're beginning this journey, know this. It's more than a passport. It's a path toward belonging, identity, and a new chapter of life.